Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix failed to verify username in Minecraft server Aternos. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so first step is to head on over to aternos.org, sign into your account and go over to your server. Now, if it says online, go ahead and click onto stop. We want to get that server offline because we need to go ahead and change some settings on the back end. Okay, so now it says offline. Now on the left hand side, we need to click onto options. Now once we're inside options, we need to go ahead and change this cracked to enable that. So what this does, it's going to allow cracked players to also join your server as well. And now in doing so, that should be able to fix it for other people and including yourself. Now method number 2 is to go over and click onto the players tab. And then we want to go ahead and whitelist some players. So click on the whitelist button, click out of the ad if there's any ads that pop up. And now go ahead and add usernames that you'd like to whitelist. Now another thing we can do is go back to players. And now go ahead and look at banned players and banned IPs. If there's any players or IPs that might be causing that issue as well. So just go ahead and have a look in either one of these two and go ahead and remove them. Then once you've done that, go ahead and click back on over to server and then click on the start to start your server and try to see if that fixes your issues.